Today on GLK, the AC not working. Switching on the ignition on. First time he said he left it and traveled for a long time, so I'm trying to check things out for the first time. Here are my gauge. You can see I've actually fixed it up. A lot of dust around here. I haven't started it, so I have to start it first before I start seeing what the problem could actually be. Okay, let me go ahead and start it. Let's see what happens. Fired up. Tire pressure check. Interior looks very clean. This is the first time I'm working on a GLK. I'm gonna allow the car to allow the car to warm up. There's a climate control button down there. It says the AC blows warm. So as it is right now, I'm to check it and give a cost and know exactly what the problem could be. They determine the cost of fix there. If we have agreement, I get it fixed. I have to take it to my garage for a fix. If we don't, then I have to leave it and go. But pretty much, so I'm gonna go ahead and put on the AC. The AC is on. Okay. I think I'm actually seeing the fastest one here. And so far I could determine the problem right here. So it's up for me to shut it down. Then I relate to the owner. Let's see what happens. But so far I can be able to tell exactly what the problem is on this AC. I'll go ahead and give you guys the compressor kicks on. You can see right there. Go ahead and shut it off. There is no any air coming out of these vents, and that's the problem. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead and off it. so I can have a discussion with him on how much I'm going to take to fix it. If he agrees, then I go ahead and fix it. If he doesn't agree, then I let it go and move on with other things which I need to do for the day. So I hope you find this very helpful to diagnosing and fixing your GLK that have a problem that the AC wouldn't work. If you so, subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and I gotta catch you guys later. This looks pretty much so clean. Bye for now. Hello guys, it's Dr. Cool Auto Fix. Today we have a problem with Mercedes. The owner's complaint on this car is that the AC won't work. So I've come across this. I'm actually coming across this kind of problem for the first time. So I'm trying to figure it out. Then he said he traveled, then when he came back the AC is no more working. So my first thought was there could be maybe a leak in the system that actually amount that the refrigerant escaped or something, but I checked it. There was a very good quantity of refrigerant inside the system, which at least you should be able to pick up. Then when I started, the next thing, which is something here, I have to go through this climate control and turn on the motor so I can be able to perceive the cooling and see if if the static pressure which I'm reading, if it is wrong, that it's not enough for the system to actually blow cold. So when I turn it on, there is no any air coming across out of this all vents. So I know definitely there is a problem. There is possibly a problem that the blower motor have a problem, which is somewhere down there. I've actually opened that very place up. It's being held up by 3 hex screws somewhere around here, which I've actually loosed out. Then I wanted to actually test the blower motor right there before I decided to test the power right there. So if you have this very problem, you want to go ahead. There is a circuit which is just red and black, which I suppose is going to be the ground, and the positive part of the power that goes to the fan right there is 2 wires only. So I use the multimeter there to check it, and anyway, let me stop talking and show you what I did right there. Then after then we'll continue. Okay, so you can see the screws which I lose out of here using a Bosch Allen key. So here underneath here, let me show you what you need to look out for. There is a tab here which I'm holding. I pull it down, it's red and ground. The red is the positive while the ground is the negative. So I'll go ahead and turn this multimeter into voltmeter, into voltage range, so I can be able to test the power right there. They do often actually. Okay, let me go ahead. They do actually smack it and need to start working. Okay, pretty much guys, I think I've actually found the problem. I'm sorry, this power which I'm testing here is not actually for the source. This is actually for the feed for the motor. So here I have tested this very one that is coming here right now. I need someone to help me hold this camera, help me hold this body. Now between these 2 wires, okay, now I hope you're participating. Now you see this one here is clipped to the body of the blower motor, right? Now the second guy we need to look out for here is this guy. This guy here is the main power that goes to the motor. So this is the one, bearing in mind that we put it in speed 3, I need to test this one here and look at the multimeter there. We're having 11.7, and that is what you should have. So which means the power coming here is coming, so which means this resistor is not a problem. Now based on the technical information which I got from the man, he said he do actually hit it from here and it will start working. So with that, I I can be able to attest that the problem is actually the blower motor that has shorted. So we're gonna be needing to replace this one right now, but sorry if you have this problem. The main essence of doing this video is to diagnose it and show you how to diagnose it and riddle out the problem, because right now we don't have this parts right here. I have to make a call and know where to buy it from before I'm gonna start tearing things apart. So if you want to know how I'm gonna take to replace this, because it's not an easy job, you want to subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification icon on. And with that done, I'm gonna keep you posted however it goes, how we're gonna take to remove this and replace it. Or pretty much you can check some other channels and see how to replace it. And I hope you find this troubleshooting guide on how to troubleshoot GLK350 that the blower is not responding. So I gotta catch you guys later. This is Dr. Quarter Fix on a GLK350 that the AC is not working, not blowing out. I'll catch you later. Bye.